Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the worksheet. Now shape it. Make the lookup column the leftmost key or a clearly labeled field and convert the range to a table for stability. First, use index to target the return column, then use match to find the keys row. This separates position from value, so your formula won't break when columns move. Once done, wrap match with 0 for exact match. Make sure your keys are unique to avoid ambiguous returns. Now expand functionality. If you must use VLOOKUP, anchor table array with $ or a table name, and set range lookup to false for exact matches. Once comfortable, switch to XLOOKUP. It finds values left to right or right to left, supports exact or approximate mode, and lets you specify a friendly if not found message. Combine with IFER to catch hash and /a, and use index match when you need multi-criteria or dynamic. Finish by turning lookups into reliable tools. Use dynamic arrays or filter to return multiple matches, and sumifs or index with small for aggregated results. Validate inputs before finalizing, trim text, ensure numbers are numbers, and remove hidden duplicates. This prevents silent mismatches. If things go wrong, first check that you used exact match where required, that your ranges are anchored with $ or table names, and that there are no trailing spaces. These fixes solve most lookup failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.